Summary of Part 1, Fundamental Techniques in Handling People. The first principle of handling people discusses the futility of criticism. Human nature at work, we blame everyone but ourselves. We are tempted to complain about everything, even little mistakes, but sometimes we just do not understand why. Without knowing the facts, we sometimes presume that someone purposefully screwed up something. Instead of criticizing, condemning, or complaining, find out why people do what they do. There are many more profitable and interesting endeavors than criticizing. It also fosters sympathy, tolerance, and kindness. When we empathize with others, we understand their motivations. Secondly, the need to be significant is a fundamental desire in human nature. People love to get sympathy and attention, as well as a sense of importance. One of the secrets to dealing with people is genuine appreciation. Give genuine and heartfelt gratitude. People will love, value, and repeat your words if you are hearty in your approbation and lavish in your praise. Lastly, the world has enough of people who are greedy and self-centered. As a result, the persons who unselfishly try to serve others have a huge edge. Self-expression is one of humans' primary needs. We should align our wants with theirs so that they are ready to collaborate with us and we can both attain our objectives. In general, you can't influence or handle people until you understand their point of view. To apply these fundamental techniques for dealing with others, one needs to put oneself in the shoes of others, in order to truly understand and grasp their motives. Understanding others allows us to forecast how people will feel in a given situation and to make sense of how people will behave. This was the summary of Part 1 of the book How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Subscribe, like, follow for more.